What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's case unboxing time, and today we have the 2020 Hot Wheels Q case. Unfortunately, my case looks like it got damaged during shipping. Hopefully none of the cars inside were damaged as well. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the Dodge Viper RT10, and the super treasure hunt is the 64 Chevelle SS. There's also a chance of getting a Hot Wheels ID Dodge Charger. Let's go ahead and open up this case. And we'll start it off right up top right here. And first one that we pull out is the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. That's a brand new color we saw in the previous case. We got the 69 Dodge Charger. This looks to be the regular of the Hot Wheels ID variation, so we'll watch for that maybe in this case. Then next up, we've got the brand new Mazda RX-3. And we'll go back up top right here to see what our next three cars are. We've got the Muscle Bound, very nice in that matte black finish. We've got the 2010 Chevy Impala that looks like a NASCAR type car. And we've got the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. All right, a couple of good cars so far. Next up, we've got the Porsche 914 Safari Edition. I really like this one. We've already opened one of those up. I can't wait to open up another one though. We've got the 2010 Toyota Tundra from the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. And we've got I Believe in a new color variation. All right, what's our next three cars right here? We've got the custom 2011 Camaro, the Fire Truck Edition one. We've got the 57 Plymouth Fury, all flamed out. And this is a brand new recolor. It's the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, and this is kind of in like a matte gray finish. It looks really nice. I can't wait to open this one up. All right, next up we do have the Radical Racer in a new color variation. We've got the Grand Cross, and there's another one of those 2020 Jeep Gladiators. And we'll go down right here. We've got Croc Rod. Very cool. That's a neat looking fantasy casting. We've got the 86 Monte Carlo SS, and I think that's a new one. I haven't seen this color before. And we've got the Muscle Bound again. All right, we'll put those aside. And what do we have next? We've got Roger Dodger 2.0 in a brand new color variation. Awesome, I like that red color, it looks really neat. We've got the 52 Chevy, and this is like a rustic looking design to it. That's really neat paint job to it. And we've got the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster in red. Awesome looking casting. I really like this red color on that one. All right, what else do we have right here? We've got the 1970 Dodge Charger RT, and this one actually, maybe this is the one that is possibly the treasure hunt, or sorry, the Hot Wheels ID car that we might get in this case. We'll see, we'll have to find out some more. We've got the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster, there's that red one again, and we've got the brand new color variation of the 1998 Honda Prelude in blue. I love this new color variation for it, looks great. And what do we have down here? Ooh, there's the brand new Bentley, the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. And wow, that color looks fantastic. I love that green color on there. Very cool. Cool graphics on the side of it with the number 8. Wow, awesome. Can't wait to open that one up. We've got Custom Auto up next. And then after that, we've got the Night Dragon. Check that one out. Pretty cool fantasy casting. All right, what else do we have down here? We've got the Croc Rod again. There's another one of those. And there is the treasure hunt for the case. There it is right there, the Dodge Viper RT10. So we did get the treasure hunt for the case. You can see right on the front hood right there, right down there, there is the treasure hunt logo for it. So I really like this casting. We've seen this casting recolored many different times, but now we've got it as a treasure hunt. Awesome. And after that, we've got a very cool unique casting. We've got the Flintstones Flintmobile, and we opened one of these ones up previously. Such a cool casting that's come to the Hot Wheels lineup, and we can see just right on the bottom right there how they've got the wheels integrated in there. The tires roll really nicely. Awesome car, really like that one. All right, next up we've got the I Believe right there. There is I Believe in a new color variation, and we've got the 64 Chevelle SS, and this looks to be the regular. Yeah, that's not the super treasure hunt. So that's the regular color variation, so possibly we still have a chance of getting the super treasure hunt. Maybe in this case, we'll have to find out. And then next up, we do have Aisle Driver, and that's a new color variation of Aisle Driver. Very, very unique looking casting. And our next 3 cars in our first half of the case, we've got the Pro Stock Camaro, the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. That's recolored in a new blue color with the Hot Wheels logo on the side. There's another one of the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadsters, and we've got the Electro Silhouette in a new color variation. Awesome. All right, let's get to the bottom half of this case and see what else we can find down here. We'll pull out from the top right here, and we'll see our first 3. So we've got the Night Dragon right there, the new color, and we've got the Velociracer. That's a really crazy looking one. That's a new color variation. And then after that, this is a brand new recolor for this year. It's the Big Bel Air. Big Bel Air right there. And as you can see, unfortunately, it looks like the bottom cards did get a little bit wrecked somehow. I'm not too sure. It looked like some sort of water or something maybe spilled while it was shipping. When I got the box, it did have a lot of water on it. So something happened during shipping. Nothing that it was the fault of the seller. That just does happen, but that's okay. We're going to be opening up most of these anyway, so no big deal. All right, what do we have up top right here? Oh, there is our brand new 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Check that one out. Wow, crazy looking, very, very cool looking car. I couldn't wait to get this one, and I'm super excited. We'll have to open this one up very, very soon. Awesome, love that car. And then we've got the El Viento, new color variation of that, and the 57 Plymouth Fury. All right, what else do we have up top right here? We've got the Kia Stinger GT, the gray one. This is the recolor variation. We originally saw it in blue. Then we have Electro Silhouette again, and Erikenstein Rod, a very, very unique casting, and this is a recolor of it. Very, very cool. I really like that fantasy casting of it. I think it's a fantasy casting. I think some people said that it might have been made in real life. I'm not 100% sure. Speaking of it, though, there is another one of them, the Erikenstein Rod, and we've got the brand new 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Check that one out. This one originally came as a premium casting. Now we've got it on the main lines. Then we've got Runway Rescue, one of those. Very, very cool. And that's got that little thing that pops up on the top of it. All right, what else do we have down here? We've got the 1970 Chevelle SS in red, and this is a Fast and Furious variation. You can see it says Fast and Furious right at the top right there. And we've got the 69 Dodge Charger 500, all right. And we've got the Cruise Bruiser. Very cool looking demolition derby car. All right, and we'll go to our next 3 right here. We've got the Velocita, very, very cool looking car. And we've got a new color for the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Check that one out. Very, very unique looking, cool color to it. I like these greens. They're coming out with a lot of different green cars lately, which is really neat. El Viento, again, another one of those ones down there as well. And let's go down to our next 3 cars. Ooh, Corvette C7 Z06. And if I'm not mistaken, I feel like we almost got this one a while ago, so it's kind of weird to see it in this case. Or I could be wrong. Maybe this is a little bit brighter of a red, almost an orangey color to it. You can see, unfortunately, the damaged card, but that's okay. We're opening that one up very soon. And we've got the 68 Shelby GT500, 2 of them right there. Awesome, awesome. I'll put those ones aside. And what else do we have right up here? We got the custom Camaro, another one of those ones. We've got the 2020 Shelby GT500, another one of those. Awesome. Definitely have to open up a few of those. And there's another one of the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. All right. And we'll put those aside. What else do we have? We've got the custom auto. Very, very cool looking color of that one. We've got Radical Racer, and we have Hologram, the racing truck. All right. And we'll put those down right there. And what else? We've got 3 more cars here. We've got the Cruise Bruiser, the demolition derby car again. Another one of the Toyota 2000 GTs. And the Mad Props, new color variation of Mad Props. unique plain casting for it. And we've got up next, we've got the Nissan Silvia S13, very cool looking car. And then below that, 69 Camaro convertible. Wow, that's a very, very cool looking one. I like the gold rims on that. That looks really neat. And then below that, we've got another one of the 70 Chevelle SS, and this is that Fast and Furious variation of it as well. So we'll put that aside. And our bottom 3 castings, one of them is one that I was looking forward to. Actually, 2 of them are, but we already saw one. We've got the Bentley Continental GT3. There we go, there's that recolor. And the brand new recolor of the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Look at that one. Gorgeous looking, very, very glossy red color to it. And then right below that, we've got a Runway Rescue. Guys, let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from this case. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.